It's time
to fire this thing up.
Hit it. Okay, this is a perfect example I want to show everybody here on this Mercruiser IO, all right? With the marine exhaust, you have the exhaust manifold, all right? We have a 6-inch spacer. This is a dry joint spacer. And back in the 80s and early 90s, they didn't even really have a name for the joint. It was just the way it was. Now, what they call the older technology is a wet joint marine exhaust. This is a dry joint right here, and above that we have the actual riser. And good deal you made it. Hi, I'm John Graviscus. Awesome program lined up for you guys. We are going to be talking about marine exhaust today. We're going to be going to Virginia. We're going to see how a manufacturer actually makes them. We're also going to be heading out to the east end of Long Island. We're going to cover a lot of different combinations that there are in these exhaust parts. Okay, it's critical information. We're even going to talk about a marine hose that normally doesn't get addressed or looked at that often, and it's critical, guys. I'm talking about scupper drain hose. Now, today's program is going to be loaded with valuable information, so we need you to pay attention. But first, like always, we've got to acknowledge all the great companies in the marine industry who help make this show possible.